This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
AXIORY positions itself as a broker built around execution transparency, platform choice, and trader control rather than mass market gimmicks. One of AXIORY's most noticeable strengths is the flexibility it gives traders in how they access the market. The broker supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and SpeedTrader, which immediately makes it attractive to both traditional MT users and traders who prefer depth of market visibility and advanced order handling. Execution is generally smooth, with a strong emphasis on market-based pricing rather than internal dealing desk intervention, which appeals to scalpers, algorithmic traders, and those running EAs. AXIORY also puts a lot of focus on risk management and account transparency. Features like negative balance protection, flexible leverage settings, depending on jurisdiction, and detailed trade reporting make the platform feel structured and professional rather than promotional. Traders often highlight stable platform performance during normal market conditions, and the broker's infrastructure feels built for consistency instead of flashy extras. Educational resources are present and practical, covering trading basics, platform usage, and market concepts without overselling unrealistic outcomes. On the downside, AXIORY is not a feature-heavy ecosystem broker. You won't find built-in copy trading communities, social feeds, or aggressive bonus campaigns. Research tools are functional, but not as extensive as what you see on large multi-asset platforms. For traders who want all-in-one analytics dashboards, sentiment tools, or social trading elements, AXIORY may feel minimalist. Some users also note that the brand is less widely recognized than major global brokers, which can matter for traders who prioritize long public track records or name recognition. In terms of reputation and background, AXIORY was established in 2011 and has spent over a decade building a presence focused on execution quality and localized support. The company emphasizes regional teams and trader accessibility rather than a one-size-fits-all global approach. This slower, controlled expansion has helped AXIORY build credibility among traders who value responsiveness and direct communication over rapid scaling. While it doesn't market itself aggressively, its longevity and operational consistency are often cited as quiet strengths. Now, moving to pricing and account structure, AXIORY offers multiple account types designed to match different trading styles. These include Nano, Standard, Max, Tierer, Alpha, and Zero accounts, each with different spread structures, platform access, and commission models. Some accounts focus on raw or near raw spreads with per lot commissions, while others build costs directly into the spread for simplicity. Minimum deposits are generally low across most account types, making the broker accessible without forcing large upfront commitments. Overall trading costs depend on the selected account, traded instruments, and volume, but the structure is clear and upfront rather than confusing or promotional.
SpeedTrader is engineered specifically for active and professional level traders who prioritize speed, direct market access, and advanced routing over simplicity. The platform provides powerful trading software optimized for equities and options traders who need fast order execution, real-time data, and granular control over how trades are routed to the market. SpeedTrader supports multiple professional trading platforms that allow traders to customize layouts, hotkeys, order types, and routing preferences, making it particularly appealing to day traders and high-frequency strategies. Advanced charting, Level 2 data, and direct routing options give traders full visibility into market depth and liquidity. One of SpeedTrader's biggest strengths is execution precision. Traders can route orders directly to specific exchanges or market makers, which is a critical feature for scalpers and momentum traders. The platform also supports short selling with access to hard-to-borrow stocks, something many retail brokers restrict. On the downside, SpeedTrader is not beginner-oriented. The interface, tools, and requirements assume prior trading experience, and the learning curve can be steep for newer users. There is also less emphasis on long-term investing tools, portfolio planning, or passive investing workflows. SpeedTrader has been serving active traders since 1999, making it one of the more established names in the direct access trading space. Over the years, it has focused on refining execution quality and platform performance rather than expanding into consumer-style investing products. This long operational history contributes to its credibility among professional traders, especially those trading US equities and options at high frequency. In terms of pricing and account structure, SpeedTrader offers clearly defined account types tailored to different ownership and organizational needs. Standard trading accounts include individual accounts, joint tenants with rights of survivorship, and joint tenants in common. For business and organizational use, SpeedTrader supports corporate accounts, limited liability company accounts, sole proprietorship accounts, partnership accounts, and both revocable and non-revocable trust accounts. Margin account classifications include day trading margin accounts and non-day trading margin accounts, each with specific equity and maintenance requirements. Pricing is volume-based, with commission schedules designed to reward higher trading frequency. Traders should also account for platform fees, market data subscriptions, margin interest, and regulatory fees, depending on account configuration and activity level. Looking at independent customer sentiment, AXIORY currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.0. Reviews commonly highlight reliable execution, stable platforms, tight spreads, and confidence in trade integrity, while occasional criticism mentions slower customer support response times rather than trust concerns. SpeedTrader does not currently maintain an official Trustpilot rating. However, user feedback published on its own platform frequently emphasizes fast execution, professional tools, strong customer support for active traders, and platform reliability, with criticisms typically focused on complexity and suitability for beginners rather than execution quality. Final takeaway: if you are an active Forex or multi-asset trader who values execution stability, transparent pricing, and MetaTrader-based workflows, AXIORY offers a clean, professional trading environment without unnecessary distractions. If you are a US-focused equities or options trader who demands direct market access, advanced routing, and institutional-grade tools, SpeedTrader is built specifically for that level of activity. If this breakdown helped you decide which platform actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest platform comparisons, and click the link below to explore the broker that aligns with your strategy, not just the one with the loudest advertising.